Hey y'all, it's Christine. So I got this in the mail last week. I haven't been able to go around and make a video yet on it. So I got this Pinchme box last week, and yeah, my hair's funky right now. So it's something for my hair. I already know what it is, and it shows up shipped on my Pinchme thing. So yeah, I got a survey about this product and I qualified for it. I just didn't know if when it was going to be shipped and when I was going to get it. And I was able to get it. I kind of was not expecting it. Alright, so it's the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm. And it's formulated for all. Best for normal, sensitive skin. Helps to remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. I was able to get a full size instead of a sample size. So it says here how to use, which use it in the morning and afternoon. Gently massage a small amount to dampen face and neck. Rinse thoroughly with water. Follow up with preferred serums and moisturizer. Leave one for 10 minutes as a nourishing face mask. So that's what I'm thinking I might do. I gotta take a shower anyway. Kind of why my hair is sticking up like it is. Alright, so this is what the bottle the tube itself looks like. Once I open it, it's good for 6 months, which you can see right there. Alright, so just sort of prove to you, I haven't even opened up the bottle yet. Because I don't know how many people would like to see a used product on camera. I've yet to open it. As you can see right here, the safety seal is still on. Thought maybe now would have been the best time for me to do a video. Gotta remember, I gotta put money in my dime. Now, I was thinking to myself that I'd, continue the thought in my head. Alright, so. Let's see here, trying to open this. Now, alright. Which I just peeled it off. Alright, so I'm gonna go and, put the tab back on. Or not. Tab. Why would I put the tab I just took off back on? Top. Alright, so screw that back on. Oh my god, it is what? What time is it? 12:40. Alright, so. I don't think I got the sticky part off. Oh no, that is the actual thing itself. Alright. So as you can see, I'm gonna have a little bit stick up. So it's yeah, that's the actual product itself sticking out. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is pause this real quick and go and use this, and I will be right back. Hopefully, if I don't forget. Be right back. I'm gonna use it and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, as you can see, I took a shower. And I used this, too. So, I think my face looks and feels a bit better. And, yeah, and so, I think I'll give this a few more days of using before I, actually say how I feel about it and whatnot. So, it's right now, first use, I like it. So, I guess I'll, put that in on my review when the review button opens up for it on Pinchme. So, yeah, and, and on to another subject, went on easy, as I showed you, what the thing looked like, and all. Alright, so, I just went like this, like this, and it worked. I could feel it working. So, yeah. So, on to the next subject I wanted to talk about in this video. I went to the store yesterday, because my brother walked up to the store. Mom, I think he wanted to go on a walk, and Mama was like, alright, well, can you go look at this for me? See if they have it. Alright, well, he did that. He walked up to the store. He was going to the store anyway, so he went and looked. He said, no, he called and was like, and I answered the phone because the way I have the number programmed into the house phone, it lets me and my mom know who it is that's calling. And I answered the phone, and I was like, alright, well, do they have toilet paper? He was like, yeah. And so I was like, get as much as you can. Which he grabbed all the small packs they had. It was like, I think like a 4-pack. It was like, he grabbed like, I don't know how many, he grabbed at least 10, and I was like, alright, well, get a shopping cart, put as much as you can into it, grab what you can, and Mom and I will be right up there. And so I got ready, we both went up there, I grabbed a shopping cart, she grabbed a shopping cart, because we were going to get stuff while we were up there. So I immediately went straight to the toilet paper area, and the toilet paper was already almost out. So there's like 2 more packages of the name brand that we use, which is Angel Soft. And the scented kind, my nether region doesn't like much. Yuck. So, I would still grab them because I didn't know how long. I don't know if we were able to grab toilet paper again. We have enough now to last us probably a couple of weeks, at least. As much toilet paper as we grabbed, I think it should last at least 2 to 3 weeks. And I was able to grab, Mom and I were able to grab what we could of other stuff that was needed, except for bread. The bread lane was empty. Here, let me show you the picture of the a lane that my mom had shown me. Let's see here. I'm trying to pull it up now. Let's see. Alright, here it is. It looked, the bread area where they have all the bread, looked like this. This is obviously where the toilet paper and paper towels are. As you can see, they didn't have much of the paper towels left. So, at the time she sent me that picture, which I gotta check. That was Friday at 7:50. Mom and I went up there yesterday and seen that they had some toilet paper left. I grabbed as much as I could because the name brand, the kind we use, works better. I can wait more and whatnot. So yeah. Alright. So the bread lane was like that. The only things that were bread items that were left was tortilla wraps, like stuff you use for a burrito and whatnot. That's all they had on the shelf. So in that lane, and I was like, dang it. So as soon as I can, next time I go out, I'm gonna probably see if Mom can I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so let's see. Gotta check to see if when the exact time it is. And then that's when we will go. Because I'm going to go after my doctor's appointment. I think it's either for my shoulder or my ankle. One of the two. Because because I have appointments. I have an appointment for my ankle one day, and an appointment for my shoulder the next day. 2 different locations. Also, I do have a TikTok. I just recently got back into that. This thing is taking forever. I like it when it takes forever. Alrighty, apparently timed out. It's not letting me in. Alright, whenever it decides to let me in. Because I also need to call and see if they'll still be able to, see me tomorrow. Wear green tomorrow, by the way. Once I find that, necklace I got, that lanyard thing I got, I would wear that. Because that has green on it, so I won't get pinched. Not unless I wear a pair of socks that has green on it. So yeah. If not, then I can find a green Sharpie floating around here somewhere. Which I know I have a green Sharpie. I can just dab it on my arm or something. Alright, yeah. I am not having it. Alright. Alright, maybe my fingerprint will help. Alright. So, trying sorry if the camera's moving as well. Yes, I do indeed have green. So either way, if I don't wear anything green tomorrow, I can apply this tonight and just be like, boop. Nice try. Alright, so I'm waiting on this to load me in. It's not letting me log in. Alright. Also, I clear some notifications. So this still does work. I do recommend BioFreeze. Okay. Apparently there's probably a lot of people trying to get on the server right now or something. I'm not quite sure. That's probably why I'm having trouble. Either that or they're working on the app right now. I don't know. Alright, so I guess I'll try again later. Alright, so and while I'm right here, I could go to my TikTok and just go show you my TikTok handle.
Alright guys, I'm about to scare my...
Alright, so this is my TikTok. Sorry, my brain's a little frazzled right now. Alright, so it's my TikTok. It's Little Monster Smiler, which I can I will put that down there. Or here you go. Scam this. Here. Don't even know if it will load or not for y'all. There you go. If not, then alright. Yeah, so here, I'll even save my QR code. Alright. So I have it saved. I'll add it to my Facebook page, which is Little Monster Smiler. I'll link that down there too. Alright, so also there's a new Heyday game coming out. It's not Heyday 2. Heyday's not going anywhere. I've been thinking about making a Heyday. So yeah, when this coronavirus, it ain't no joke. I know that, but I'm just like, man, with it. It's like, I know I have sniffles. It's probably it's allergy right now. It's like, I'm not sure why I'm having sniffles, but I usually get sniffles this time of year. But with coronavirus, if I cough, I know people are going to shoo away from me and whatnot. Oh, another thing, I'm going to the if it does not get canceled or postponed, I am still set to go see Nickelback in concert on June 20th. At which time I'll probably grab a Corona beer from the stand. Of course, I'm gonna get carded because I look like I'm 16, 17. I'll get carded. So it's like, whatever. I'll make sure I have my ID with me. I'm gonna have my phone with me because I'm going to hopefully be like, if they'll allow me, I can do some video and whatnot. Probably film before they come on. This I think they have two bands opening for them or something. I don't know exactly what. Two bands, I don't remember. I just remember seeing Nickelback was performing. That I was not able to go see them the last time they were here in my area because I had a seizure. So, excuse me, this time I'm able to go see them, and as soon as I was able to, I got tickets to go see them. So I'm going to be right there at the stage, orchestra, row C, seat 1. That's where I'm going to be at. So I'm hoping that all is going to be well and I'm able to go and whatnot. Fingers crossed. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for now. I am expecting a package from Try It on Friday. So if I don't do the unboxing and showing y'all on what it is Friday, which I'm gonna try to, then I will do a video as soon as I can. With this video, I said I was gonna do it as soon as I can. So yeah. Alright. Oh, and before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It's y'all remember the Tivana from another video. Alright, so this is the Passion Tango herbal tea with hibiscus and cinnamon. So, as promised, as you can hear that sound, I'm just now opening it up on video. Woo! I kind of like it, so it tastes different. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm gonna finish that off, definitely. Alrighty, so I think that's gonna be about it for this video. So yeah, at the moment, it looks like I'm still gonna be able to go to my doctor's appointments. Alright, so in all seriousness now, I'm going to go ahead and end this video now and upload this as soon as I can. So, bye y'all. Follow me on TikTok.